In 2016, I made a big move. I used to work as a senior tax consultant, senior payroll consultant to be specific. And even though I wasn't unhappy, I thought I needed more. I wanted an experience that would give me a broad range of opportunities later in the future. My boss were excellent. The job was challenging. But when I looked at the future, I saw that the future of that job could be quite restraining. So I decided to look for that option. Are you in that phase and you think that you need to transition? From my experience, there are three things that stood out for me. One was the skills or residual skills that I built in payroll. I learned attention to detail. I learned managing a team. I learned communication with my subordinates as well as my superiors and clients. So all of those were very useful skills for me. So it helped me in my transition. The second thing that worked was continuous learning. As a senior payroll consultant, I was already leading a team. So I was like the boss, although I had my own boss. But when I moved to audit, I needed to learn from scratch because I hadn't done audit before. So I started learning from scratch. I had a body that was helping me with the methodology, the things that I needed to know. And that helped me because when you move into a new career path, you need all of that help to get you started. And if that foundation is not solid, then you struggle later in life. So that was the second thing that helped me. The third thing I think that a lot of people miss is hands-on experience. Because I knew I had lost some time with my former role, because I was coming as a senior auditor, even though I hadn't done audit before, but I had to do a lot more than the average person in my unit. So I picked up a lot of volunteer roles, always raising my hand to say yes. And all of those added to building my experience. What I found out is the more hands-on you are on your job and experience, the better the quality of your experience compared to other people with the same years of experience that you might have. So I just thought to share that. There are three things that you should note from this short video. One, your residual skills are important. Two, you must always be open for continuous learning. And three, get your hands dirty. Volunteer for a role, raise your hand. So if you're transitioning to a new role, don't forget to apply these three very important key. I'm sure they'll be helpful to you. Until next time, we'll see you.